Pisgah National Forest.
Look at Chris. There he is. He's shifting mounts. He's a professional.
It's a perfect day for the road. The blue sky will take us home. We'll take it easy, we'll take it slow. It's a good day for the road.
Betsy's Old Country Store. We made it. Yeah, so what happened with the police officer?
So he just asked me what I was doing sitting in the road.
Yeah?
And I said, well, there's a guy up there, he's taking pictures, and there's a guy back there, he's taking pictures, and I'm sitting in the middle waiting for him. You tell people to come on around here. I went, no problem, officer.
Part of being a trio of photographers.